church where a wedding has been. Lives in a dream, waits at the window, wearing the face that she keeps in a jar at the door. Who is it for? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people. Where do they all belong? Father Mackenzie, writing the words of a sermon that no one will hear. No one comes near, look at him working, donning his socks in the night when there's nobody there. What does he care? All the lonely people, where do they all come from? All the lonely people, where do they all belong? Look at all the lonely people. Look at all the lonely people.
Eleanor silhouette in a cellar door, looking forward to a meal for four. I mean a meal for 4 days. She plans for more. A fantasy, a family, a glass of Pinot Noir. She places her faith into a thought above. Dearly beloved, she begging them for her to love. A vacant podium reminds her that she's all alone. True kings never reign on a gold throne. Who knew life could be so cruel? So she summoned the strength to rise up in the church pew. Father Mackenzie can't afford love, already dedicated to the spirits above. Names became nameless, friends became strangers. His only conversation is past with strange neighbors. Lost in a row when the mate to your soul has gone from the gold to a heart with a hole. Never in his life has he felt so alone, till he follows in the feet of his son once stoned.
Eleanor Rigby died in the church and was buried along with her name. Nobody came. Father Mackenzie wiping the dirt from his hands as he walks from the grave. No one was saved.